Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Thursday, August 20, or actually August 30th. Oh boy, I'm a day behind. I can't believe this month is almost over. So, hope everyone's alright, everybody is safe, and we have another one from Kelodo, I do believe. If not, links are going to be down below. Check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. And of course, take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Add it to your wish list. Santa Claus will be coming soon. So get a really good deal right now. Here we go. Rip right into it. Let's see what they have to offer us. Oh boy. I see something. Nice. We're going to have one of these bad boys. High definition sound quality earbuds. So definitely check them out. It is hard to do a really good sound test quality on these. You just gotta take my word. These are really good. Really great price also. So the link is going to be down below for that. Buy a couple for roommate, for the gym, for your walks, sports activities, school if you go on to zone out, but pay attention to teachers. Here we go. We got, oh, these are the wireless. Oh, these feel different. These are not like the other ones, that's for sure. I like this. This is a really strong cable in case someone gets out of line. You know, bam. No, sir, these are just headphones. And then, old school days. Awesome. So, this, yeah, I can't even, it's hard to do tests like this on here, but trust me, these are good. Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi, wireless, Bluetooth. Is this a charge? This must be the charge. What is it from, though? I'm surprised I didn't. Oh, yeah, it is Kelodo. Kelodo user manual. So, on and off buttons. Got that. Let's see, charging. Before the first use, the unit should be charged 1 to 2 hours by USB cable. Pairing, 5 seconds to hold a pair button. LED light shows charging port is on the side. Right in there. Right in there. So really cool. So if you guys want to get a new set of earbuds for a low cost, all you gotta do is click on the link down below and give these guys a try. Won't be disappointed. So definitely excited. And then, like I said, I'll do the full test run, but it's not hard to, like I said, try it on Instagram. Possibly I'll get it done tonight with the sound, but these will do good. Like I said, this cord, nice and heavy, thick. And not heavy, but nice and thick. I don't know if you guys can see it. Definitely really cool. Cool design. And that's about it. Thank you guys over at Kelodo. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And I'll see you guys soon. See ya.